Hey fam, whether you've got 5 minutes to reset in the morning, recover after a workout, or simply shake off the day, this routine is your go-to. Today we'll activate strength and flexibility in your body. No equipment is needed, just a mat or soft surface and a little bit of space. Each movement lasts 1 minute, giving you time to sink deeper into each stretch. We'll start low to ground ourselves into standing strength-building moves and finish by opening the upper body. Let's hit the mat and awaken your muscles, feel stronger, and become more flexible. We're kicking things off in downward dog, a position to wake up your entire body. Press your hips high, spread your fingers wide, and ground your heels. Feel the stretch flow through your hamstrings, back, and shoulders. As you exhale, flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press into your palms and lift your chest. Beginners, stay in a gentle cobra, keeping your elbows slightly bent. If you're advanced, straighten your arms fully for a deeper stretch through your chest and core. This movement lengthens your spine, stretches your shoulders, and engages your back muscles. Each breath brings you closer to flexibility and strength. Take one last glide back to downward dog, letting your hips rise, then prepare to step forward and rise tall. Step your right foot forward and rise into a low lunge. This is where strength meets grace, rooted in your legs, lifted in your arms. Ground your feet firmly, square your hips, and lift your arms high. Beginners, keep your lunge shallow, focusing on alignment. Advanced, deepen into the lunge and add a slight back bend for a bigger chest opener. This move energizes your legs, opens your chest, and strengthens your focus. Each inhale lifts you higher, and each exhale grounds you deeper into the pose. Take one final deep lunge, then step back and prepare to mirror this strength on the left side. Step your left foot forward now, rising tall into a low lunge. This is your opportunity to balance strength and openness on the opposite side. Lift your arms high, square your hips, and feel your feet rooted firmly to the ground. Beginners, stay steady with controlled movements. Advanced, lean slightly back to amplify the stretch across your chest and shoulders. Feel the connection between your legs, core, and upper body. A low lunge not only strengthens your legs, but also enhances flexibility in your hips and back. Take one more rise and reach before stepping back. Now let's stretch the back and release tension. Stand tall and hinge forward at your hips, letting your arms hang loose toward the floor. This stretch is your release for the back and legs. Bring your hands to your waist and drop your elbows gently toward the ground. Beginners, keep a soft bend in your knees for added comfort. If you're advanced, work towards straightening your legs fully as your elbows drop lower. The stretch eases tension in your hamstrings, lower back, and spine, leaving your entire body feeling lighter and more mobile. Take one final deep drop of the elbows, then rise halfway to reset before our final stretch. Stay in your forward fold. Interlace your fingers behind your back, lifting your hands toward the sky to open up your chest and shoulders. Feel the stretch deepen with each breath. Beginners, keep your arms low if your shoulders are tight. Advance, lift your arms higher, and hold the position longer for a deeper release. This final stretch undoes the tightness from sitting or slouching, creating openness across your chest and back. Let your arms drop gently. Roll up to standing slowly, and feel the release through your entire body. Bam, you crushed it. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and awakened your body from head to toe. Ready for more? Well, smash that subscribe button and grab your free customizable fitness program using the link in the description. It's packed with everything you need to stay flexible, strong, and energized. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!